Welcome, Brenda. I have 3 completely open centers: the head, the heart, and solar plexus. Any tips to help me? So if you have completely open head, a tip would be to let go as soon as possible of all the things that you think about that are not relevant to your life at all. So anything that has nothing to do with you or the people you care about, or anything practical about your life, anything that's relevant to your life, all the questions, all the doubt, all the answers, all the things happening in your mind that are not about you, your friends, family. And even if it's in your friends and family, there's going to be things that other people talk about, they ask questions, they have doubts, blah blah blah, that you don't hold that. Just get it out. If you have an open heart, completely open heart, be very careful about proving yourself. So be very careful. Ask yourself, what am I trying to prove? Am I trying to prove something? Begin by asking yourself that in every single decision you make. Am I gonna say yes to this because I want to prove myself? Am I gonna say no to this because I want to prove myself? How am I trying to prove myself? To who? If you have a completely open heart, you might not be able to make any promises to anyone. So be very straightforward with people and tell them, I'm gonna come to the party, but I can't make any promises. Instead of, I'm definitely gonna be at the party, and then you can't make it, but because you made a promise, you gotta make it, so you don't look, you gotta prove to them that you're trustworthy. So it's better off if you tell somebody, I'm gonna try to do it, but maybe I won't be able to do it. So commitments are a big thing for you. Be wary what you commit to. And then solar plexus, if you have it open, you might be very averse to difficult conversations. You might walk around on eggshells with people because you don't want to confront them in order to not feel their intense emotions. So be mindful that like 90% of all emotions you're feeling is from someone else. So don't make decisions from that. And breathwork helps with the solar plexus. If you feel very emotional from somebody else, do breathwork. Also just know that there's gonna be situations in life where you're gonna have a choice between speaking up to somebody and taking that emotional hit from them. They're gonna become triggered, they're gonna be emotional, it's gonna be a difficult conversation, but it's gonna be the price to pay for you to be authentic and speak up your truth. Or the choice is gonna be to stay silent because you don't want anyone to be upset, and then you don't speak your truth and nothing changes.